Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I will show you guys my 2 weeks growth of using fenugreek seed. So this is me just using my fenugreek. If you want a more detailed video on how the benefit of fenugreek and everything, I'm going to be linking, or I'll be tagging the first 1 week of using fenugreek in this video. So I'm going to strain and I'll get our juice. So this is the second batch of using fenugreek. Okay, so I use first batch for week 1 and this is week 2. So guys, this really is amazing. Like fenugreek is so amazing for your hair growth. Okay, so I'm gonna put this inside my spray bottle and I'll show you guys the first day when I started spraying it on my hair, and I'll also be showing you guys day 7. Then at the ending I'll show you guys day 14. So it's the one, day 7 and day 14 results you'll be seeing in today's video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. I literally appreciate. My name is naturally Jessie. Welcome to my space. Okay, so here I create a lot of amazing ingredients to help you to promote your hair growth. And if you're suffering from hair thinning, alopecia, your baby girl, that is me, got you covered, because I did suffer from alopecia. Like my front edges, the bald spot there was not giving. So that was this is the one. Okay, and I did a length check, which you guys just saw previously. I am going to try as much as possible to put the length check somewhere here. Okay, so that is the length check of day 1, and I'll also be showing you guys day 7 as well. So besties, this is day 7 of spraying the fenugreek seed water on my hair every single day. Okay, so I can see there's a difference in my hair. Like there's growth. All right, so this is my external growth. I'm gonna zoom it for you guys. Okay, so this hair is growth, and I see that my braids are start to shift, like under my braids, and there's growth as well. So I'm also going to be showing you guys this, guys. So today is day 14 of using fenugreek water on my hair. And yeah, so this is my hair before I spray the fenugreek water. This is what my hair is looking like. Yeah, so I'm going to spray it, then I'll show you guys my length. Okay. So guys, I have applied. It's finished. Okay, it's finished already. So what I noticed is that when this fenugreek water has stayed for like few days, okay, when it's not freshly made, it tends to be, there's a texture it has in the hand. I don't know how to explain it. Like more of a conditioning texture in the hand. Okay, So I am going to apply my condition, my leave-in condition on my hair, then I'll be right back. Leave-in condition Cantu. I'm just going to put it on my hair. One thing I noticed about Cantu is that it leaves white cast if you don't massage it well on your hair.
I want to go outside.
Don't worry, we are going out.
Yeah, you go outside.
Using my
Go to
scalp concussion. Someone is really cancer. Today I am not going to be using my scalp massager because I am going out, so I don't have that time now. Anyway, that I see everything with my oil. So besties, this is my length check. Okay, I noticed there is growth. Okay, my hair is longer than the one. Okay, so why I didn't stretch it when I initially in the beginning of the video is because my hair was dry, so I needed to moisturize so I don't cut my hair. So you can see my hair grew. Okay, my hair grew. So this is a good tea. Okay, and you can, if you can watch from where the beginning of my braids is to my scalp, okay, there's a space. Okay, so you can see that there is growth. There is growth, guys. All right, I am going to be using this till the end of this challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know what you think. Was there growth? For me, I see growth. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll literally appreciate that. So I'm about heading out, as I said earlier on, so I just want to arrange my hair and step out with my daughter. I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.